This is the story of YouTube. This is a story about three friends with an idea. Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Jawed Karim were employees of PayPal and saw an opening in the market for a website where users could upload and share videos. They registered the domain name youtube.com on February 15, 2005. The first video was posted on April 23, 2005, and in May an official public beta was launched, attracting an average of 30,000 viewers per day. With the promise to give out a free iPod Nano to one random member every day until the end of the year, its user base steadily grew until venture capital firms began to take notice. When Jon Stewart appeared on CNN's Crossfire in October, more people watched the clip on YouTube than saw it on television. In November, YouTube received $3.5 million in funding from Sequoia Capital. At this point, YouTube had over 200,000 registered users and was showing over 2 million videos per day. After building up a strong reputation and user base in its beta stage, YouTube.com had a staff of 20 and made its official debut on December 15, 2005. This is a story about very big numbers. By January 2006, users were watching 25 million videos per day. In March, the total number of clips available on YouTube also reached 25 million, with users uploading 20,000 new videos a day. By April, with bandwidth costs approaching $1 million per month, YouTube gained an additional $8 million in funding from Sequoia Capital. The evolution of Dance, the most watched YouTube video of all time, was uploaded on April 6th. In May, YouTube's viewership surpassed that of CNN.com, and it was responsible for 43% of all videos viewed on the internet. On July 16, YouTube announced that users were currently viewing 100 million videos per day. The staff remained at just over 30 members. With over 65,000 new videos uploaded daily, the users of YouTube were beginning to form a cohesive community, starting online movements that spread across the web and across the globe. This is a story about money and fame. On October 9, 2006, it was announced that YouTube was being purchased by Google for $1.65 billion in stock. At the time, it was the biggest purchase Google had ever made. The deal was finalized on November 13. That same month, YouTube was named Time Magazine's Invention of the Year for 2006. In its final issue of the year, Time Magazine named you, yes you, Person of the Year, in recognition of the importance of the user-generated content driving sites such as YouTube. In 2007, YouTube has become more popular than ever, but legal trouble is never far off. On March 13, Viacom sued Google for $1 billion for copyright infringement on YouTube. The suit is still ongoing and may have major implications for the future of YouTube. But for now, YouTube.com remains the fourth most visited website in the world, because, most importantly, this is a story about people. Google wasn't investing $1.65 billion in the technology of YouTube, but in all the users of YouTube. A massive amount of people of all ages, from all places, who come together to share the things that make them laugh and the things that make them cry. Google wasn't buying a company, it was buying a community, potentially millions of new users. If you are a YouTube user, Google was buying you. Did they get their money's worth? The future history of YouTube is up to you.